The wait is finally over. I have finally received my gift, and it's the Shark FlexStyle Limited Edition. Let's unbox it together. Its first impression, how pretty does this black box look? It feels so premium and elegant. And yes, it's the Black Limited Edition. You guessed it right. So sleek and classy. As soon as you open the box, everything is beautifully arranged. The packaging looks very luxurious and well organized. Each attachment has its own place, which makes the whole set feel high-end and special. Here is the main body. It looks so shiny and premium. The finish feels very smooth and high quality. The nozzle can be easily adjusted by rotating it, so you can switch between styling option and comfortably. Now let's go through all the attachments one by one. This is the hair dryer attachment, perfect for quick drying. And it also comes with this mat. This is great for placing the tool safely while styling. Now, these are the curler barrels, and you got both left and right directions, which makes styling very easy. You can create beautiful curls on both sides of your hair without any confusion. It comes with 3 heat settings, so you can choose low, medium or high depending on your hair type. And there are 3 hair flow options which help control the intensity of the styling. Next is the round brush attachment, perfect for adding volume and giving that salon style blowout look. Now, this is the blow dry brush. It helps smooth the hair while drying and gives a polished finish. And finally, this is the curl defining diffuser, perfect for enhancing natural curls and reducing frizz.
So guys, which attachment should I try first? Let me know in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.